Star angles, a concept that appears plucked straight from the pages of science fiction, weaves together advancements in a range of complex fields: quantum physics, metaphysics, computational theory, and neuroscience. It propounds the groundbreaking idea of providing its users with the unprecedented capability to navigate through different realities or dimensions. This advanced conceptual model suggests not merely an ability to visit different universes, but to actively participate in them, essentially unlocking the door to unexplored realities. Rooted in the realm of the theoretical, Star Angles challenges the traditional constraints of our understanding of the universe. It transcends the conventional bounds of physics and metaphysics, merging them into an integrated framework that reshapes our perception of reality. This advanced framework offers new perspectives on life, existence, and the very nature of reality itself. Star Angles draws its foundation from the rich theoretical framework of the multiverse theory and quantum mechanics, positing a reality where every decision made, every event that unfolds, births an alternate reality. This idea, at its core, proposes that each decision we make creates a fork in the road of reality, leading to a new universe that exists parallel to our own. This results in an infinite number of realities, encompassing everything from minor variations of our own existence to universes that abide by completely different sets of physical laws. Yet, it's not merely about acknowledging these alternate realities, but actually exploring them. The principle of Star Angles implies that users are not limited to passive observation. Rather, they become active explorers, traversing through the landscapes of the unseen and the uncharted, delving into realities that have hitherto only existed in theoretical physics. In the grand scheme of Star Angles, each angle stands for a unique dimension or reality. It's a revolutionary concept, hinting at a model where not only does every decision give birth to a new universe, but these different universes are accessible and explorable, each offering its own unique experience. This powerful metaphor signifies a shift from the linearity of conventional travel to the multidimensionality of inter-reality navigation. As such, it's less about physical travel, and more about transcending the boundaries of consciousness and perception. It suggests a model where one's consciousness could potentially be mapped onto different realities, hence traversing multiple dimensions and experiencing different universes. In this sense, Star Angles denotes a method of mapping one's consciousness into various dimensions, in a way that allows seamless navigation across different realities. It takes the principles of quantum physics and multiverse theory and applies them in a practical sense, enabling users to practically engage with these dimensions in a way previously thought to be impossible. The infinite potential of Star Angles stems from its foundation in the concept of superposition, the principle in quantum mechanics where a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously. In the context of Star Angles, superposition is extrapolated to entire universes, suggesting a reality where one can exist in multiple states or realities until observed or measured. It is this state of superposition that Star Angles seeks to harness, allowing individuals to navigate through the infinite possibilities of the multiverse. Star Angles opens the door to an understanding of our universe that reaches beyond conventional scientific understanding. It paints a picture of a universe that is not merely a static singular entity, but a dynamic and infinitely expanding network of realities. By giving users the ability to navigate these realities, Star Angles proposes an evolution in our understanding of the universe. It raises the tantalizing prospect of tapping into the multiverse's boundless potential, exploring the infinitude of realities that lie within its scope. Ultimately, the concept of Star Angles represents a radical shift in our understanding of reality. It proposes a model where the universe is not a fixed, singular entity, but a dynamic and ever-evolving network of realities. This offers a groundbreaking new perspective on existence, opening up infinite possibilities for exploration, understanding, and experience. In essence, the Star Angles concept offers a new understanding of reality that is both revolutionary and awe-inspiring. It takes the principles of quantum mechanics and multiverse theory, hitherto confined to the realm of theoretical physics, and brings them into the realm of tangible, practical experience. In doing so, It pushes the boundaries of our understanding, inviting us to explore the limitless possibilities that the multiverse offers. A thorough comprehension of the theoretical foundations of star angles, which borrows from the fields of quantum mechanics and multiverse theory, is integral to truly understanding this groundbreaking concept. The exploration of these theories allows us to understand how star angles could provide its users with the power to navigate through different realities or dimensions. The interconnected nature of these theories paints a holistic image of the very fabric of the universe, and how humans might one day traverse its limitless expanse. The multiverse theory, one of the key foundational theories of star angles, proposes the existence of a multitude of universes, a concept that challenges our perception of the universe. The idea suggests that ours is not the only universe but one of many, an element within a vast array of universes known collectively as the multiverse. These universes, each distinct from the others, could range in variety from slight alterations of our own universe to completely unique universes where the laws of physics as we know them do not apply. The multiverse theory is an extension of the cosmic inflation theory. In the briefest fraction of the first second after the Big Bang, the universe is believed to have expanded exponentially. This rapid expansion, faster than the speed of light, would have created bubbles of spacetime, each evolving into a separate universe with its unique laws of physics. Our universe as we know it is just one such bubble within this cosmic foam of universes. However, the multiverse theory is not the sole basis of star angles. Equally crucial is the role of quantum mechanics, a fundamental theory in physics that provides a description of the physical properties of nature at the scale of atoms and subatomic particles, the smallest scales imaginable. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in what is known as a superposition of states, where they can be in multiple places at the same time. The act of observing or measuring a particle collapses this superposition into one state or another. This is famously exemplified by Schrödinger's cat thought experiment, where a cat in a box could be both alive and dead at the same time until observed. One of the most striking interpretations of quantum mechanics, and indeed a core premise of star angles, is the many worlds interpretation. This idea posits that all possible alternate histories and futures are real, each representing an actual world or universe. According to this interpretation, a quantum superposition collapses not into one universe, but into a multitude of universes. Each time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple universes, accommodating every possible outcome of that event. Marrying these two theoretical frameworks, the multiverse theory and quantum mechanics, provides the scientific foundation upon which star angles rests. The multiverse theory allows for the existence of multiple universes, while quantum mechanics allows for the possibility of these universes being accessible through quantum events. Therefore, in theory, if we could manipulate these quantum events or states, we could navigate these different realities or dimensions. Yet, this is just the beginning. Delving deeper into the realms of quantum mechanics, we encounter the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. This is a deeply counterintuitive phenomenon where particles become entangled such that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, no matter the distance between them. Einstein famously referred to it as spooky action at a distance. Quantum entanglement raises a possibility that's essential for star angles. If our consciousness or perception of reality is in some way quantum, then by entangling ourselves with another reality, we might be able to transport our consciousness there without physically traversing the distance. This would not be teleportation in the traditional sense, but a kind of telepresence, a shifting of one's perception to a different reality. Star angles is a potent synthesis of these theories, presenting a path to navigate the multiverse. Every star could be a distinct universe or reality within the multiverse, and each angle might be a quantum state that, when achieved, can allow our consciousness to perceive that reality. With this in mind, we can begin to grasp how star angles might function and start to imagine the profound implications it could have for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. In the realm of star angles, the term itself plays a significant role in defining the mechanics and implications of the phenomenon. Star angles in this context refers to a system that can be likened to a compass for quantum realities. It provides its users the roadmap to venture across the diverse realities, dimensions, or what we colloquially refer to as universes. To decode this, let's first break down the term. The stars within star angles metaphorically denote separate realities or universes, while angles refer to the unique quantum coordinates or states that identify these realities. The system is thus named because of the unique angles or positions each star occupies in the multidimensional quantum reality spectrum. In the star angle system, navigating does not imply physically moving from one universe to another. Instead, it signifies a shift in quantum state, which allows the observer to experience a different reality, much akin to the change in perception when switching channels on a television. This shift in perception is where the power of star angles truly lies. Now, how does one achieve this shift in quantum state? The cornerstone of this understanding lies in the principle of quantum superposition, which suggests that a quantum system can exist in multiple states simultaneously, collapsing into a single state only upon observation. If we consider the user of star angles as the observer, their perception or observation in the context of quantum mechanics can then be seen as a catalyst for the collapse of a superposition of states into one. Therefore, the observer's consciousness or awareness becomes instrumental in determining the reality they experience. Star angles builds on this concept, positing a system where the observer can intentionally direct their observation, thus manipulating the collapse of superposition and steering their experience towards a desired reality. One could imagine the star angle system as a vast, multidimensional star chart, with each star symbolizing a distinct universe or reality. These stars are not located on a flat two-dimensional plane, but are spread across an infinite, multidimensional expanse. The angles between these stars serve as a kind of quantum positioning system, enabling users to navigate their consciousness through this virtually infinite multiverse map. Users of star angles wouldn't physically traverse the multiverse. Instead, they would adjust their angle of observation, which in turn influences their quantum state and shifts their conscious experience to align with different realities. It's akin to changing frequencies on a radio or channels on a television. The device isn't moving, but the user's experience changes as they switch from one frequency or channel to another. In star angles, the device is the user's consciousness, and the frequencies or channels are the infinite realities within the multiverse. By consciously manipulating their angle of observation, users can tune into these different realities, experiencing life in a universe where different rules apply or where an alternate version of themselves exists. Crucially, the process of navigating the multiverse in this manner does not involve any physical travel or teleportation. Instead, it involves the transformation of the user's consciousness to align with different realities. This distinction is critical to understanding the mechanics of star angles. In essence, star angles posits that consciousness, when guided by a finely calibrated system of quantum coordinates, the angles, can be leveraged as a vehicle to traverse through different realities, to explore the vast and complex landscape of the multiverse. It is, in a way, a kind of quantum consciousness navigation. However, the implementation of such a system is riddled with complex challenges that span various disciplines, from quantum mechanics and computational science to neuroscience and philosophy. Our current understanding of these fields, though rapidly evolving, is not yet advanced enough to make star angles a reality. But the concept itself provides a fascinating glimpse into what might be possible as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe and the mind. Star angles thus stands as a compelling illustration of how we could potentially harness the peculiarities of quantum mechanics to journey through the multiverse. It offers a thrilling prospect, the possibility of consciously exploring alternate realities, of experiencing the incredible richness and diversity of the multiverse. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of what we believe to be possible, encouraging us to rethink our understanding of reality and our place within it. The groundbreaking concept of reality navigation using star angles evokes a tantalizing vision of exploring the cosmos's multitudinous dimensions. It goes beyond our spatial understanding of navigation, where we traverse through physical space from one location to another. Instead, it ventures into the realm of metaphysics and quantum phenomena, where our consciousness becomes the vehicle to explore the infinitesimal variations of reality. However, to comprehend the mechanics of reality navigation, we first need to address the challenge of achieving a state of quantum superposition, a concept rooted in quantum mechanics. Quantum superposition is the principle that tiny particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, until an observation or measurement forces them into a specific state. This concept is the nucleus of the theory of quantum mechanics and serves as the groundwork for the star angles concept. In the context of star angles, this principle applies not only to particles, but also to conscious beings. Hence, to achieve reality navigation, the user's consciousness must exist in a state of superposition, in multiple realities simultaneously, until an observation or a decision collapses it into one particular reality. Such a feat would require groundbreaking advancements in our understanding of consciousness and quantum mechanics. However, manipulating consciousness to achieve a state of superposition might sound like a far-fetched idea. It challenges our current scientific knowledge and dips into territories where science and philosophy intersect. Some theories propose that our consciousness is intricately tied to quantum processes occurring in our brains. If this holds true, then the key to achieving superposition might lie in understanding and manipulating these quantum processes. This brings us to the next challenge in the mechanics of reality navigation: collapsing the superposition state into a desired reality. This transition from being in several realities at once to a specific one could be likened to tuning a radio. From receiving multiple signals simultaneously, we turn the dial to focus on a particular frequency. In the context of star angles, this tuning process might involve advanced computational simulations that could simulate different realities and manipulate our perception to experience the desired one. Another possible method could be direct neural interfaces, sophisticated enough to interact with our brain's quantum processes and guide our consciousness into a specific state or reality. Regardless of the method, the navigation process would require an intricate understanding of our brain's quantum processes and consciousness. Each angle in the star angles model represents a unique quantum state corresponding to a different reality. By tuning our consciousness to these angles, we could navigate to different realities. It's crucial to understand that in the star angles model, the user doesn't physically move across the multiverse. It isn't akin to physical travel where we change our spatial position. Instead, the user changes their conscious experience, transitioning from one reality to another. It's more of a mental or perceptual journey rather than a physical one. Imagine a television with infinite channels, each representing a unique reality or universe. Navigating through realities using star angles would be akin to changing channels on this television. Your physical position doesn't change. You remain in the same place in front of the television. However, your perception changes as you experience different channels or realities. Furthering this analogy, the mind, entangled with the fabric of reality through quantum phenomena, serves as the remote control. By manipulating the angles or quantum states, we could change the channel of our consciousness, experiencing different realities. The star angles model therefore not only revolutionizes our understanding of reality, but also our perception of ourselves. We're not merely passive observers in this vast multiverse, but active participants, explorers of the unseen, traversing through the infinite expanse of realities at the shift of an angle. The mechanics of reality navigation involve achieving a state of superposition, where our consciousness exists in multiple realities, and then collapsing this state into a specific reality. This process requires a profound understanding of quantum mechanics and consciousness, and perhaps the development of advanced computational simulations or neural interfaces. The star angles model thus sets forth a challenging yet exciting prospect, pushing the boundaries of science, philosophy, and our very perception of reality. The concept of unlocking portals in the context of star angles goes beyond our conventional understanding of what a portal is. In science fiction and fantasy, portals often refer to physical gateways or wormholes that transport individuals from one location to another, perhaps even through time. However, the portals within the star angles framework aren't physical pathways. Instead, they're shifts in perception, a journey made by the mind, guided by quantum phenomena. In essence, the idea of unlocking portals is equivalent to accessing and experiencing entirely new realities, dimensions previously unseen, unobserved, and unexperienced. To comprehend this, we must let go of our classic understanding of reality as a fixed universal truth. Instead, we need to embrace a more fluid quantum understanding where reality is a superposition of infinite possibilities, and our consciousness is an observer that collapses this superposition into a single, lived experience. The keys to these portals are the star angles. They serve as a kind of quantum compass, guiding consciousness through the vast sea of the multiverse. Each angle is unique, representing a specific universe with its distinct set of laws and properties. By adjusting their angle, users can unlock new realities, initiating a shift in their conscious perception that effectively transports them into a different universe. Now the question arises, how exactly would one adjust their angle? As we've discussed earlier, star angles doesn't suggest a physical transition from one reality to another. Rather, it implies a transition in consciousness. To do this, one may need to harness advanced computational models or direct neural interfaces that can manipulate the user's perception of reality. By creating a quantum entanglement between the user's consciousness and these devices, one could theoretically induce a shift in perception, thereby unlocking the desired portal. However, these are just the mechanics of reality navigation. What truly makes star angles a remarkable concept is the potential it holds for exploration and discovery. The ability to unlock portals to new realities is, in essence, the ability to explore the multiverse in its full grandeur. We are no longer limited to conjecture and mathematical models. We can actively experience these other universes, unraveling their secrets firsthand. The multiverse ceases to be an abstract concept and becomes a tangible reality that we can interact with and learn from. Imagine navigating to a universe where gravity works differently, or where time is nonlinear. Think of the scientific advancements we could make by studying these realities. We could gain insights that are impossible to achieve in our own universe, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Star angles could, in theory, usher in a new era of scientific exploration and discovery. But it's not just about science. The potential for personal growth and learning is equally immense. By exploring different realities, we can explore different versions of ourselves. We can learn from the decisions we made in those realities, understand their outcomes, and apply those lessons in our own lives. This is experiential learning on an unprecedented scale. Unlocking portals to unexplored universes could also have profound philosophical and spiritual implications. It could give us a more profound understanding of our existence and our place in the cosmos. If we can experience a reality where we made different choices, what does this mean for our perception of free will? If we can see a universe where our life took a different path, how does this affect our understanding of fate and destiny? These are profound questions, the answers to which could transform not just our worldview, but also our understanding of self. The idea of unlocking portals to unexplored universes is not just a scientific endeavor, but a philosophical and spiritual journey as well. It's about understanding the nature of reality and our place within it. It's about exploration and discovery, learning and growth. And perhaps most importantly, it's about expanding the limits of what we believe is possible. With star angles, we are not just spectators of the multiverse. We are active participants, explorers in the grandest adventure of all. As we delve deeper into the potential impact of star angles, one cannot help but marvel at the magnitude of its implications. This revolutionary concept can catalyze unprecedented transformations on multiple fronts. It has the potential to redefine our understanding of the cosmos, fundamentally shift our self-perception and perception of reality, and chart a new trajectory for our place in the multiverse. From a scientific perspective, the realization of star angles would stand as a monumental achievement, a testament to human curiosity and our capacity to transcend boundaries in pursuit of knowledge. We have long observed the universe as if from the inside of a locked room, with a limited vantage point of the cosmos and its infinite possibilities. Star angles, however, could provide us with the key to step out of this room, unlocking a multidimensional vista teeming with realities that were once unfathomable. This expansion of our cosmic perspective would revolutionize astrophysics, cosmology, and quantum physics. Each star, each reality we explore, would hold invaluable insights into the workings of the cosmos. The variety of physical laws and constants we would encounter could vastly enrich our understanding of the fundamental principles that govern the universe. Star angles, in essence, would provide a living laboratory on an unprecedented scale. Moving beyond the scientific realm, star angles also carries the potential to fundamentally transform our societal structures and individual perceptions of reality. If we can navigate through different versions of our world, then we could essentially live through alternate histories, futures, and presents. It would allow us to explore what might have been, what could be, and what is in other realities. Consider the possibilities this opens up for learning and growth. We could gain wisdom from the successes and failures that have occurred in other realities, allowing us to make better-informed decisions in our own world. It's akin to having the ability to learn from an array of life experiences that surpass the limits of our one-dimensional timeline. Star angles could serve as a tool for unparalleled experiential learning and growth. But the benefits of star angles go beyond individual learning and extend to collective advancement. By comparing the outcomes of different societal structures, political systems, or environmental policies across realities, we can identify which factors contribute most effectively to societal well-being, equality, and sustainability. In this way, star angles could guide us towards a more harmonious and just world. Furthermore, star angles could profoundly impact our understanding of self and identity. With the ability to observe and experience countless versions of our lives, our perception of self could shift from a singular, static entity to a dynamic, multidimensional concept. It presents us with a canvas on which countless versions of us are etched, each a result of different choices and circumstances. We may begin to see ourselves not just as individuals, but as a continuum of possibilities spread across the vast expanse of the multiverse. Such a shift in understanding could have profound philosophical implications. It could lead us to reevaluate core aspects of human existence, such as the nature of free will, destiny, and the meaning of life. It would challenge us to redefine what it means to be human when our existence is woven into the infinite fabric of the multiverse. However, the potential benefits of star angles are not without their risks and challenges. With great power comes great responsibility, and the ability to navigate realities carries significant ethical and moral implications. The consequences of misuse could be catastrophic, and safeguards would need to be put in place to prevent the manipulation or exploitation of this technology. Moreover, the potential for reality escapism, where individuals might abandon their original reality in favor of a better one, is a concern that needs to be addressed. Star angles offers a glimpse into a future where the barriers between realities are transcended, opening up a world of infinite possibilities. It has the potential to bring about scientific, societal, and individual revolutions that could redefine our existence. But as we stand on the cusp of this new era, we must proceed with a sense of awe and caution, fully aware of the tremendous power and responsibility that comes with navigating the multiverse. As we unlock the doors to other realities, we may well be unlocking the next stage of our evolution. The realm of star angles is as thrilling as it is mystifying, a concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of reality, consciousness, and existence. However, with the promise of exploration and discovery, come significant ethical dilemmas and philosophical questions. As we contemplate the potential of navigating realities and dimensions, we must simultaneously ponder the implications and potential consequences such exploration could bring. In many ways, star angles does not merely signify a technological leap. It represents a paradigm shift in our perception of self and reality. The ability to traverse the multiverse calls into question our long-held notions about identity, individuality, and free will. If there are infinite versions of us, each living out a different reality based on every possible decision we could make, then what does it mean to be us? Are we unique entities, or just one instance of an infinite array of selves scattered across the multiverse? This philosophical quandary is just the tip of the iceberg. The concept of free will also undergoes an examination under the lens of star angles. If every possible outcome of every decision we could ever make already exists in some reality, then do we truly make choices? Or are we simply stepping into pre-existing realities, each reflecting a different path we could have taken? The understanding of our actions being genuinely consequential could shift dramatically. Could we truly take pride in our achievements knowing that there's a reality where we failed? Could we sincerely regret our mistakes, aware that in another universe we made the right choice? Equally intriguing and unsettling is the question of responsibility. If we navigate to a reality where we have made a different choice, would we be responsible for the outcomes in that universe? If we encounter a version of ourselves who has made different choices, who is to be accountable for their actions? Are we responsible for all the versions of ourselves across the multiverse, or are we only accountable for the reality we currently inhabit? These questions about responsibility could redefine societal norms and legal systems, possibly causing us to rethink the way we perceive justice and accountability. Star angles also raises concerns about reality escapism. If given the opportunity to switch realities at will, what stops individuals from escaping unpleasant situations in their original reality? This could lead to a concerning phenomenon where people abandon their realities in favor of more appealing ones, potentially leading to a massive dissociation from our original reality. What would this mean for our shared reality and societal cohesion? Would we lose the incentive to improve our circumstances, knowing that we could simply switch to a reality where things are better? Further, the power to access and navigate realities could lead to a new form of inequity. The capacity to explore other dimensions may not be accessible to all, creating a divide between those who can traverse realities and those who cannot. Who would control access to the star angle system? Could this lead to a form of multiversal colonialism, where those with the means exploit other realities for resources or gain? In addition, star angles' potential exploitation for malicious purposes poses significant risks. Unfettered access to other realities could enable nefarious activities, such as evading justice or causing harm across dimensions. Regulation of such a powerful tool becomes a vital concern, one that would require international cooperation and novel approaches to law enforcement and justice. Lastly, star angles introduces existential questions about life and death. If we could access a reality where we didn't die, what does that mean for our mortality? Would we become, in a way, immortal, living out our lives in one reality after another? This possibility fundamentally disrupts our understanding of life, death, and existence itself, introducing another layer of complexity to the already perplexing concept of star angles. The advent of star angles heralds a sea change in our perception of the universe and our place within it. As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we must tread carefully, keeping in mind the ethical dilemmas and philosophical implications that come with it. Our journey through the stars and angles of the multiverse promises unparalleled exploration and discovery, but it also calls for wisdom, responsibility, and a deep understanding of the universe's intricacies and our role within it. Star angles as a conceptual model holds the promise of unlocking unprecedented pathways into the cosmos. It foretells a future that reads like a riveting science fiction narrative. Nevertheless, as we continue to unfold the enigmatic tapestry of quantum mechanics and explore the depths of our universe, we inch closer towards transmuting this seemingly fantastical concept into tangible reality. Star angles represents the next quantum leap in our scientific, technological, and philosophical understanding. Its realization could herald a transformative epoch in human evolution, shifting us from being mere dwellers of a singular universe to becoming intrepid explorers of the multiverse. The first aspect to contemplate when considering the future of star angles is the monumental scientific and technological advancements needed for its realization. Star angles is a concept deeply rooted in the principles of quantum mechanics, requiring an intimate understanding of this complex field, including quantum superposition and multiverse theory. It demands our comprehension of these phenomena to be refined beyond current capabilities. Moreover, the field of neuroscience is pivotal in this equation. To facilitate a conscious transition between realities, we must have a granular understanding of the human mind, and specifically consciousness. How does our brain perceive reality? How is our consciousness tied to the universe, and how can we manipulate it to perceive different realities? Computing, especially quantum computing, also plays a key role. It's posited that the vast computational power of quantum computers could be harnessed to simulate different realities and facilitate reality navigation. Therefore, advances in quantum computing are crucial to the implementation of star angles. When we consider these intertwined scientific fields, it becomes clear that we are standing at the precipice of a new scientific revolution. A revolution that will not only reshape our understanding of the universe, but also challenge the very core of how we perceive our reality and our place within it. Achieving the scientific and technological marvel of star angles would be a triumph of human innovation and an embodiment of our insatiable curiosity. Simultaneously, we must prepare for the profound philosophical implications that such a shift in perception would bring. The questions star angles poses are as deep and vast as the multiverse it aims to explore. We will need to redefine our sense of self, our understanding of free will, and the way we perceive our reality. We will have to answer questions about our individuality when confronted with the existence of infinite versions of ourselves in alternate realities. Furthermore, we must examine the societal ramifications of such a profound shift in understanding. If reality navigation becomes possible, what prevents us from becoming perpetual escapers, always seeking a better reality than the one we're in? How do we ensure that access to these alternate realities is equitable? What new social, political, and economic structures would need to be established to account for multiversal navigation? These philosophical and ethical inquiries pose a conundrum as intriguing as the scientific and technological challenges of star angles. As we navigate the uncharted waters of reality navigation, we must also sail through the complex labyrinth of these philosophical and ethical issues. The journey towards realizing star angles is a multifaceted quest filled with scientific discoveries, technological breakthroughs, philosophical debates, and ethical considerations. It will require not only the best of our scientific minds, but also the wisdom of our philosophers and the foresight of our sociologists. The realization of star angles is a formidable endeavor. It's a journey filled with uncertainties and unknowns. Yet it is also a testament to our enduring quest for knowledge and our unyielding desire to understand our place in the cosmos. As we strive to bring star angles to fruition, we are embarking on a journey that will redefine our perception of the universe and our place within it. As we stand on the brink of this fascinating era, we must embrace the challenges and opportunities that star angles presents. For it is not just about navigating the multiverse. It's about understanding our universe and ourselves in ways we never have before. It's about transcending the boundaries of our current reality to explore the realm of infinite possibilities. It's about evolving from being passive observers of the universe to becoming active participants in the multiverse. In essence, the future of star angles represents an exciting confluence of science, technology, philosophy, and human curiosity. It's a testament to our limitless potential and a beacon guiding us towards a future filled with discovery and understanding. The road ahead may be fraught with challenges, but the promise of star angles fuels our journey into the unknown, propelling us towards a future where we become navigators of the cosmos. In this endeavor, we do not just seek to unlock the secrets of the multiverse, but also to unravel the profound mystery of our existence within it. It's imperative to look beyond the scientific intrigue it presents and appreciate the profound philosophical and existential discourse it encourages. The idea of being able to navigate through a spectrum of realities has been largely relegated to the realm of science fiction throughout human history. However, as our knowledge expands and technology advances, such a concept appears less fanciful and more a probable frontier of human exploration and experience. The idea of star angles carries with it the potential to not only expand our comprehension of the cosmos, but also, more intriguingly, to reshape our understanding of self and reality. As beings intrinsically tied to a single perceivable reality, the thought of navigating through multiple realities can be as fascinating as it is disconcerting. It isn't just about exploring alternate worlds or dimensions. It's about confronting the concept of multiple selves, each playing out an alternate scenario across different realities. The conventional notion of a singular personal identity may be disrupted by the understanding that there could be countless other versions of us scattered across the multiverse. On the other hand, Star Angles holds the promise of an invaluable learning tool. By gaining access to a universe of what-ifs and might-have-beens, we could potentially learn from the outcomes of different decisions, opening up a new dimension of experiential learning and problem-solving. It could be viewed as a quantum-powered crystal ball, giving us glimpses of the potential repercussions or benefits of decisions made in parallel realities. This could offer humanity an unprecedented ability to learn from its mistakes across multiple realities, cultivating wisdom and foresight that could shape the future of our society in the original reality. However, the advent of Star Angles would not be devoid of challenges. Technologically, it would demand monumental advancements in quantum physics, computing, and neuroscience. We would need to develop systems that could interact with the quantum nature of the universe, interpret its language, and translate it into an experience that human consciousness could comprehend and navigate. This would require not only a deep understanding of these scientific fields, but also a harmonization of their principles, creating a symbiosis that could pave the way to multiverse exploration. Moreover, the philosophical implications would be as profound as the technological requirements. How would our societal, ethical, and moral systems respond to the revelation of multiple realities? Would the potential benefits outweigh the risks of reality escapism, where individuals might prefer to dwell in alternate realities perceived to be better than their original one? Could this lead to a form of dissociation from our world, prompting debates around the definition of real? The advent of Star Angles could stimulate a radical restructuring of societal norms and provoke a profound reassessment of our ethical and moral compass. Furthermore, who would have the right to navigate realities? Would this become another facet of societal inequality, with only those possessing the necessary resources having access to alternate realities? Or could we, as a collective, ensure equitable access, thus democratizing multiversal navigation? The governance of Star Angles would pose novel challenges to our existing legal and regulatory frameworks, demanding innovative solutions to prevent misuse while promoting exploration and learning. When we consider Star Angles, we're not merely contemplating a groundbreaking scientific and technological development. We're envisioning a fundamental shift in our understanding of existence. It's a testament to human curiosity and our ceaseless quest for knowledge. Our fascination with the stars, the longing to comprehend our place in the cosmos, led to the inception of this idea. As we stand on the precipice of a new understanding of reality, we must appreciate the vastness of the task before us. The development and realization of Star Angles would require both rigorous scientific exploration and deep philosophical introspection. It would necessitate not just technological innovations, but also a willingness to grapple with novel ethical and philosophical challenges. Ultimately, Star Angles represents a paradigm shift, transcending the boundaries of science and philosophy. It presents an opportunity to explore our potential, question our limitations, and test the very foundations of our understanding of reality and self. As daunting as the challenges ahead may seem, they are matched by an even greater potential for discovery and growth. The concept of Star Angles is more than a quantum compass. It's a beacon that illuminates our understanding of reality and invites us to explore the uncharted territories of existence. It encapsulates the potential for a new era of cosmic exploration, bringing us closer to answering one of the oldest questions: what else is out there? It propels us beyond being mere inhabitants of one universe, heralding us as potential explorers of the multiverse. As we venture forth towards this reality, we must not forget that Star Angles isn't just about finding new worlds, it's about understanding ours better. It's about using the lessons from the stars to illuminate our world. It's about gleaning knowledge from a universe of possibilities to create a better future in our reality. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, Star angles could be the thread that weaves together the multidimensional fabric of reality, ushering in an era of understanding and exploration like never before.